Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can sort of create this video that lets your drawing kind of come to life. First, you're going to want to draw a 1-point perspective drawing, or you can search up an image online and print it out, or do this on a computer. Unfortunately, I didn't have the time to draw, so what I did is I put up a picture, and I'm just going to go to Instagram stories and find this filter. So press browse effects and go to search, and I'm just going to choose Deep Level by Solar. Click on it and then press try it. Then I'm going to go to the drawing, and as you can see, if I turn to the left or to the right, it's like I'm in that drawing, but I gotta zoom in a little bit more. And then once you zoom in, it looks like you're also like zooming into the drawing, and you're just going to want to hit the record button and create this really cool video. It'll be cooler if you draw it, to be honest. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!